This is my current balance from the last video, when I successfully turned it from just $100. And now I'm going to continue my trading challenge. Can I grow the balance even higher? Alright, let's start trading, and make sure you watch till the end if you want to learn the right way to multiply your balance on pocket option. Okay, today I will trade with my super strategy. Yes, the traffic line strategy. And this market is currently showing a traffic line strategy setup. As you can see, the green line has crossed the yellow and the red line from below. This is a sign that the market is strongly moving up, and it's also a signal for us to open a buy position in this market. Yes. For the ideal position, we need to wait until the candle touches the green line, because in this market, the candles are still quite far from the green line. Usually, the market touches the green line first before continuing its trend. Okay, let's wait for a good entry position. Great, perfect entry position. Entry exactly on the green line. And let's prepare for the martingale 1 level, which means we multiply it by 2.5 times our first investment amount. Okay, back to the charts and let's see for the results. Great! First profit from my super strategy. It's so easy, right? Yes, this strategy is pretty simple. It's made to be easy to use. Even beginners can trade with this strategy. Okay, let's trade again, and let's reset our balance to the starting amount since we've already made a profit. And we can trade in this market again because the trend is still strong. We can see it from the sharp angle of the green line, but we need to wait for the perfect entry until the candle touches the green line again. While waiting, let's look for another asset. Okay, this one. The green line has just crossed the yellow line from above, so this indicates that the market is getting stronger and likely to continue its trend. Yes, this is what we call the traffic line strategy, where all the lines have been crossed by the green line. Okay, back to the charts and let's see for the results. Great! More profit from my super strategy. This strategy is truly incredible. Remember, after making a profit, always bring your balance back to the starting point. Alright, you can trade this market again, but make sure to wait for the candle to come back to the green line before entering the trade. While waiting, let's look for a good moment in another market. Okay, I'll try using the 2-minute candle time frame, because I couldn't find a good moment in the 1-minute candles. Since we're using the 2-minute candle, we need to set the trade duration to at least 4 minutes, which means we're trading over the next 2 candles. Why the candles? Yes, because this helps minimize aggressive candle movements and keeps our psychology stable. The shorter your trade time, the more your emotions can get affected. So using the candles gives us more control and less stress while trading. Okay, this one. In this market, the green line is about to cross the yellow line. Once the green line gets crossed, we'll open a buy position. And our entry will be when the candle touches the green line. So let's wait for the perfect entry position. Great! Perfect entry position. Will this strategy bring me more profits? Let's see for the results. Oh God, it's so close, but nice. More profit from my traffic line strategy. We can't enter this market anymore because the green line is no longer as sharp as before. Now it's starting to curve downward. This is a sign that the trend is starting to weaken. So let's trade again in another assets. Okay, this one. In this market, the green line has already crossed the yellow line from below, and the green line is still sharply pointing upward, which indicates that the market is getting stronger to the upside. Okay, can my amazing strategy give us even bigger gains this time? Let's see again for the results. Great! It's so really great! Profit again and again. This strategy's so very powerful. Okay, that's not enough yet. Let's trade again for the last to see how far this strategy works. And let's find another great setup to trade. Okay, this one. In this market, the candle has already broken through the yellow line. The yellow line represents the last support or resistance level. Since the yellow line is currently below, it acts as the support level, just like what usually happens in the market. Once the price breaks through a support or resistance area, the trend often continues in that direction. So let's open a sell position in this market and wait for the green line to cross the yellow line. And don't forget to take entry position when the candle touches or approaches the green line. Great, perfect entry position. And I'll open another position once the candle moves close to the green line again. Nice! 2 trades has been entered. This is my last trade for today. I'll stop even if this one ends in a loss. Even though I lost, it's not much, only about 1% of my balance. Okay, let's go back to the chart and see the result of our final trade. It's so amazing! My super strategy has made even more profit, and now there's just one last trade remaining. Great! It's so really great! All my trades have made a profit. Yes, 7 trades in a row, no losses at all, and my profit today has reached $14,000. This is the proof of my super strategy. It still has a high win rate and remains very powerful. Okay, if you want to learn more about my amazing strategy, just text me on Telegram. The Telegram link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video and happy profit!